Welcome to our Global School. We are in Category 1. Hi, my name is Vivan Piyush. I am studying grade 2 at Aura Global School. This is a microbit. I put code on it. I'll press A button. Happy face will come. I'll put B button. Sad face will come.
Hello all, I'm Dr. Sweetie, Principal of Aura Global Schools. It gives me immense pleasure to speak about CyberSquare. So we have been, I think Aura Global Schools is the first school who introduced CyberSquare in Malappuram district. And it's been a long journey with CyberSquare, and our students are very much interested to attend their ICT classes. Something it is very different from the normal textbooks what we have for ICT, and we also have artificial intelligence as subject for class 9 and 10, again supported by CyberSquare. So the platform they enjoy a lot, and likewise our kids also take part in something called as Project Suite, which is also a program by CyberSquare. And their creative skills and also their technical skills are really sharpened, I would say. And kids love to be a part of all the DigiFest what has been conducted. And our kids have also participated in competitions which is held globally, as well as in different states of India. They have also gone for international fest, and it's a great pleasure having the team out here, because our kids enjoy a lot, and the care and the support what the organizers give is also immense. And our kids love to be a part of this program, and they also love to take part in different kinds of competitions and everything organized by CyberSquare. So indeed, we are happy, and we go really well with the textbooks as well as with Project Suite. Thank you.